Hi there everyone, so today's video is we're gonna be cleaning our dishwasher. So first thing is we're gonna be removing our wire racks up and down, and then we're gonna be taking off our filters. So it's gonna be way over here. So yeah, that's our video. We're gonna be cleaning our dishwasher. So just pull, and then you can take off all your wire, put on the side. And same thing on the top. Pull, lift it up, put it on the side. Now we can take off our filter and our other attachments. So grab our filter. Here's our filter in here. So grab this one, our speaker, one, our filter, just twist, and then take it off. So here's our filter. So it's not that bad, to be honest, because we don't really normally use our dishwasher, so our filter is not that bad. But still, you can still see, if you can see in the camera, there's some little bit to be clean. And after taking off our filter, go ahead and then place our filter on soapy water. So just soak them. And after a couple of minutes of getting soaked, you can go grab your brush, and then let's brush the filter, and then other things needs to be brushed. And then so let's give it a brush. And after brushing, go ahead and then rinse your filters. So after cleaning our filters with the soapy water and then scrubbing them and then rinsing them, let's go to our dishwasher. So grab yourself 1 tablespoon of soap, and then 1 cup of vinegar, and then 1 cup of water. So let's spray all the walls, and then also don't forget our door and then the sides. So the sides are very dirty. So yeah, let's first start inside. Just spray all over, up and down, and then just grab a rag and then let's wipe off the wall of the dishwasher. And of course, don't forget to wipe also in here, so because this is where normally the germs stay in. So grab the soapy water with vinegar, spray it there, spray on the door also, and your soap dispenser also in here. And then let's give it a wipe. Also, don't forget the front side. So after cleaning our dishwasher walls, we can now finally put back our filter, and then of course our sprayer. Just put our filter, and then our cover. Go, and then just twist so it's gonna lock. There, it's lock. Just put our sprayer back. There you go, just click like that. And after, we can put our wire rack inside. There you go, and then just slide it in. Now, to finish it off, grab yourself a cleaning dishwasher tablet, and then just take off the package and then put it on a soap dispenser. Directly in the soap dispenser. Then close it and run it on a normal cycle. And after putting your dishwasher on a clean cycle or normal cycle, you can either keep your dishwasher, leave it open to be dried, or we can leave it closed. So that's how you clean your dishwasher. See you next time.